What is a CRM? Before we build one, I want you to understand what a CRM actually is. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. But in simple terms, a CRM is a system a business uses to keep track of its customers, leads, conversations, appointments, follow-ups, and sales process. Think about a small business owner. They may have leads coming in from Facebook, Instagram, their website, referrals, missed calls, text messages, emails, and DMs. Without a CRM, all of that information is scattered everywhere. One customer is in their phone. One lead is in their email. One quote is written on paper. One appointment is in a text thread. One follow-up is completely forgotten. That is how businesses lose money. Not always because they do not have customers, but because they do not have a system to manage those customers. A CRM fixes that. Instead of a business trying to remember everything manually, the CRM becomes the place where everything lives. A good CRM can show who the lead is, how they found the business, what service or product they are interested in, what stage they are in, who needs to be contacted, who already booked, who already paid, who needs a follow-up, who became a customer. For example, let's say you build a CRM for a real estate agent. That CRM might track new buyer leads, seller leads, showings, follow-up dates, property interests, client notes, and where each person is in the buying or selling process. If you build one for a contractor, it might track service requests, job status, customer details, estimates, appointments, emergency requests, and completed jobs. If you build one for a coach, it might track discovery calls, new clients, payment status, onboarding, session notes, and renewal reminders. The point is, every industry needs a way to manage people, information, and follow-up. That is why CRMs are so valuable. A CRM is not just a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet stores information. A CRM helps a business act on that information. It helps them know what to do next. Who needs to be called? Who needs a quote? Who is ready to buy? Who has not been contacted? Who needs to be moved to the next stage? That is the real power of a CRM. It gives the business visibility. Instead of guessing what is happening, the business owner can open their dashboard and see their leads, clients, tasks, appointments, and sales pipeline in one place. And this is why learning how to create CRMs is such a big opportunity. Most businesses are still running everything through messy systems. They are using notebooks, sticky notes, text messages, spreadsheets, and memory. So when you can come in and say, I can build you a simple system that organizes your leads, tracks your customers, and helps you follow up faster, that becomes valuable. You are not just selling software. You are selling organization. You are selling time. You are selling fewer missed leads. You are selling a better customer experience. You are selling peace of mind. That is what a CRM really is. It is the command center for the customer side of a business. And once you understand that, you can create CRMs for almost any industry.